In this video, I will be showing you how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. So always make sure that you have logged into your Payoneer account and your Binance account. So in order to send money or transfer money from Payoneer to Binance, you have to go to your Binance account, click this one here, and then tap this credit and debit card. Okay, so once you're here, all you have to do is to click the amount that you wanted to send, something like that. So let's just say your card or your bank account, it should be connected to Payoneer because that's the only way or the best way on how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. You have to make sure that your Payoneer has a bank account or link to a bank account, and also, you have to make sure that this bank account is also available or applicable or allowed to use in Binance. So once you have linked your card, so like what I did earlier, you just have to go to your Binance account and then click Pay With and make sure that your card or the card that you're using there is also linked to your Payoneer or linked to the Payoneer card or account. So that's it because you cannot see an option or any feature in Payoneer that says send to Binance. So you have to go to this process in order for you to send or transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.